Welcome to the Two Tube Sessions room. I'm here at Moscow Metro. Couldn't fit you all in though.
No.
So we've just got the two lads. So tell us a little bit about the band. So how did you guys form?
There's four of us in the band. We met when we moved to Limerick. Myself and Pops, the bass player, used to be in a different band. We moved to Limerick, met Holmes and Dylan, and went from there.
And tell me a little bit about the name, obviously, because I gotta ask that.
Yeah, well, we used to practice in this little storage unit. It's a metal box basically, and we used to play loud, so it used to shake. It sounded like...
Must have gotten some seriously good acoustics out of that place.
It sounded like a tin box, but when it used to shake, it sounded like an underground or something like that.
Inspired. And tell me a little bit about your music video, because it's just kind of been released there recently. So
yeah, we just finished it. It's open to interpretation, whatever you want it to be about, really, but it goes hand in hand with the song. It's about social aspects of living in the city.
You kind of want people to take from it whatever they want, kind of thing. And tell me a little bit about your EP. So where did you guys record it? In some exciting places?
Yeah, we did a couple of songs in Grouse Lodge with Rob Kerwin, and then we finished it off with a friend of ours called Ohangini.
Lovely.
In Hina. It's called Spirit of a City, and it's out April 11th.
Excellent. And when can people see you guys?
We're playing in the Academy 2 on the 10th of April.
Great.
And then if you want to fly to Germany, come see us in Germany. Our festivals around Ireland.
Brilliant. Well guys, you're going to play a tune for us now, so take it away.
Thanks very much.
Very good. Cheers.
No one talks in this city. Spiritless walk the streets at night. I hear the voices in the shadows saying we are the future and you are the past. Back to the city, and then the spirit goes, then the spirit goes back to the sea, back to the city, and then the spirit goes, then the spirit goes back to the sea, back to the city.